All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Solana today because apparently, if you guys see my last video on Solana, the market has gone completely against it. I was looking for the market in Solana to at least take a momentary break and go lower in price, show us some little weakness and some selling, but instead, look at the price. The market has gone up instead. This is a very, very strong cryptocurrency right now. Now, I cannot emphasize that enough. And I don't want us to get sideswiped and to think that this is going to continue forever. Now, it was good to see the price in Solana go up. Many people are jumping onto the bandwagon now and supporting Solana when just a couple of months ago, just a couple of years ago, these individuals were banging it on Solana. And now they're talking about that they are the forerunner, the face of Solana. Just amazing at how quick people change once they see a particular price action go in a favorable direction. Let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. Now, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. It did not go right. Okay, it didn't take long for us to recognize that our idea and forecast of looking for Solana to go down didn't pan out. So yeah, 10.45% there. If we were to get the market now in Solana, we're down what, 22 and a quarter as to where price is last traded at $113.20. Now let's break this down because these areas down here at the bottom, these buy zones area, I was looking for the market of Solana to try to come down and catch more buyers. And instead, it left those buyers in the wind. Price continued to went higher. Very, very strong trend into the market in Solana right now. Okay. Not only is this trend strong, the market also has broken through these sell zones that we created here on our prior video as well. So let's go ahead and get that out the way. Since the buyers has taken those sellers out, we need to now identify, okay, where's the next sell zone at? As you can see on today's price action, that Solana currently is closing off the highs, meaning that there is selling going on. You can see it right here. On the 1 hour chart, this is where we're seeing selling hitting the market in Solana. Okay, right there. You can see that it is still applicable because on this 1 hour bar, the market touched that sell zone and now it's still coming back down. Here's Solana on the 2-day time frame. The market is still bullish. Okay. My problem for me to say that we're going to continue to see the market go higher, which as long as this price trades this way, it will, is that it needs to come back down eventually. And I think it's going to be a swift movement to the downside that's going to catch a lot of people off guard. Many people is going to catch the top. They're going to buy up here at the top price in Solana. And then in less than an hour, the market's going to fall down 12%. Because we need to see this occur into the market in Solana. Here it is on the 3-day time frame. I do like the 3-day time frame here in Solana as well. We got that indicator strength trigger right there. Take a look at this on the 5-day chart. Last 5-day bar, got another indicator of strength trigger. Okay, so yeah, the market is bullish. Solana is strong. Look at this weekly time frame. We still have 6 hours and 17 minutes left. Look at the spread. Very, very wide spread. If we were to take this out, it looks to me like Solana ultimately is going to try to run to this sell zone right here. I think it's going to try to run to 150. Okay, here's a shallow area of selling hitting the market in Solana as well too. Right here, which is why the market currently is bouncing up against it, which is why the price currently is going down. I think the market is going to try to run to this 150 price though. So take a look at this on the 2-weekly chart. Good, very good spread there. Here it is on the 3. 6 hours and 16 minutes left. Another strong indicator of strength on the longer time charts. Crazy. Wild. Here it is. The market is telling you precisely what to expect. So we're going to look for the market in Solana to go higher in the long term, but obviously day to day, hourly time frame, minute time frame, be prepared to see some increased volatility hitting the market in Solana. Here it is on the monthly time frame. Again, market's on board. Okay, now I don't want to see the price in Solana to fall below like $100. Okay, but ultimately I will say around 80. So let me go ahead and draw these buy zones into the market in Solana. Here's a buy zone here. And here's the biggest one I want to see the market in Solana really hold. Okay. Bring it down a little bit. So now let's do this. We're going to expect this is going to be like a longer term idea, not on a daily basis, not an hourly chart prediction. It's going to be a longer term forecast. Let's go ahead and look for Solana to go up. Okay. Now, these are our support areas, preferably 107, 106, but all the way down here is where we don't want to see the market in Solana fall below, which is $100, give or take. If it does, be prepared for the market to come down here and then test this trend line. Okay, just going to give you all that heads up right now. Now, here are the targets. First target is going to be at the high of this sell zone here, like a $118, 4% move there. My second target is going to be all the way up here around 137, which is 20.5. Third target is at the top of that sell zone at 143.33, 26% move there. So let me extend this over, and this is what we're going to look forward to into the market for Solana. First sell zone, we definitely need to see the market take that out. As long as we see the market consolidate slightly below it, that still gives us confirmation that the market is still trying to break out. Okay, so let's see how long that process is going to take, because if it doesn't take long, then it won't take us long for us to see the market run to our second sell zone. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. I am done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.